Most languages require you to explicitly declare when a type implements an interface. Go removes that requirement entirely, and that one decision shapes the whole language. In Go, an interface is simply a named set of method signatures, a contract that defines behavior without providing any implementation. Any type that supplies all the methods listed in the interface satisfies that contract automatically. There is one important restriction. Interfaces define methods only, never fields. You cannot place a name string or an ID integer inside an interface definition. Only method signatures, with their parameter and return types, belong there. Here is what makes Go distinctive. Satisfaction is implicit. In Java, you write implements animal. In C# you prefix with the interface name. You must explicitly declare the relationship everywhere. In Go, if your struct has the right methods, it automatically satisfies the interface with no declaration anywhere. This also means you can define a brand new interface in your own package, and existing types from the standard library or third-party code will satisfy it immediately if their methods match. The empty interface, written as interface with empty braces, or the alias any in modern Go, requires no methods at all, so every single type satisfies it. That is exactly how fempty.println can accept any value you pass it. In practice, interfaces like io.Reader show the real power, any type with a read method. A file, a byte buffer, a network connection. Works seamlessly wherever an io.Reader is expected. To recap, in Go, an interface is a set of method signatures satisfied implicitly. No keywords, no declarations, just matching methods. Follow for more Go interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.